Hi my lovelies, it's Han. Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. It's now summertime is here, also known as Iconic London's Spritz season. The season where two iconic Spritzing bestsellers shine, and I mean literally shine, like you all will be glowing. The products I'm talking about is the Prep Set and Glow, one of my absolute faves, and the Prep Set Tan. So if you love to be glowy and bronze, which if you like iconic London products, you're gonna love both those things. Let me talk about these two products and you're gonna be obsessed, I already know. This product is one of my favorites. Oh my god, this literally gives you the best glow of your life. Prep Set and Glow, it does come in two colours, and just watch the magic. I'm gonna shake it up. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So this is the original shade. This is the champagne colour. And let me show you this one. This is the glow shade. So this is slightly deeper, more of that bronze undertone. Oh, it just looks so pretty. This is where Iconic London started. Like, this glow spray is literally iconic. Iconic London's most iconic product. Look how pretty they look. These are beautiful hydrating mists that leave the skin refreshed, and also it has light reflecting properties, so that's where you get that glow from. So it's going to leave that iconic glow, that beautiful radiant glow. It's multi-use, so you can use this on the skin before applying makeup. It gives that really nice hydrated feel and that glow to the skin, or you can use it after powdering your skin, so when you've finished your makeup, and it gives that glow back. I especially love using it after I've finished my makeup. Once I've got all my powders on my face, everything's set in place, and then this gives the glow back. Like, it makes your skin look so naturally glowy and radiant. There's no glitter in it whatsoever. It just looks beautiful on the skin, and I've powdered my skin so I know it's going to stay, but then I can still get the glowy finish. And you can also use this on your bare skin, so you can use it just for a nice glow. I also use this on the body. I think it looks beautiful, especially when you've got like a full-on outfit, you're going out or like somewhere special, just spraying it on the body, it literally looks beautiful on the skin. It gives that glow within look. And it's also 100% vegan. It actually contains cucumber and chamomile, which give you a standout gloss. And on top of that, it's enriched with antioxidants, green tea, vitamin E. These help condition your skin, and not forgetting caffeine, which helps to reduce dark circles around your eyes. This is a beautiful spray. It's going to leave your skin revitalized and glowing. There's no other product that gives you this same effect. Look at my skin after I've sprayed that. It just gives that beautiful glow within look. There's no other product that does this. I feel like there's no glitter, there's no obvious like sheen to my skin or anything. It's just absolutely beautiful, and it gives that hydrated look to your skin. I 100% recommend using it on your face and your body. Like, it just makes you look like it just makes your skin look beautiful and glowy and radiant, and like, it just, I love it, and this is why I love it. This is why I love it. Look at that, on my bare skin. But you can use both. Obviously this one will give you more of a bronzy effect. Of like deeper skin tones, you'll obviously want to opt for this one. But I use both. You don't have to like use one or the other kind of thing. I love this for the body as well, especially like to add a bit of tan as well. This one just adds that sheen, but this gives a little bit of more of like a bronzy effect. They are both really, really natural glows. So on my skin tone, this wouldn't look too dark for me. So this is perfect for that champagne kind of glow. You can see like it's more brightening on my skin. This one gives a more bronze glow. Both match any skin tone. It just depends on what glow you want in. Do you want a champagne one, or do you want more of a bronzy golden kind of undertone to your glow? It's just a preference. The next product is their Prep Set and Tan. So this product is such a unique tanning hydrating mist. So this can be used on the face and on the body. It smells absolutely insane. I love the smell of this product. I cannot, like, it just, I want to spray more and more each time I spray it. It is insane. These are infused with the most premium tanning agents, hyaluronic acid, that everybody knows it's amazing for hydrated skin. It's going to give you a nourished, healthy looking, even tan. Also infused with eco-captive tropical aroma, which masks the typical tanning odour, so it doesn't smell like that stereotypical tan. It honestly is such a tropical, beautiful smell. It's infused with eco-active tropical aroma, so it masks that stereotypical tanning smell. It smells nothing like a tan. It smells absolutely insane. Like, every time I spray it, I could honestly spray this all day. It smells that good. It reminds me of holidays. I just want to keep spraying it. I almost want it as a perfume, like it smells insane. Let's talk about the tanning shade. So we've got Original, so I'm going to just shake up so you can see what it looks like. Original will develop into a subtle sun-kissed effect. So this is going to be more of a natural tan. This is the shade Glow. This will develop into a richer, warmer tan. It adds depth to your complexion. So this is me before putting the tanning product on, just so you can see a little before. Out of the two tans, I am going to put the more natural one on because I want a more natural sun-kissed glow. Necklace off so I don't get that ruined. So I'm going to use this little tanning brush as well. This is amazing, like it's the perfect size to like move it around. So much easier to use than a tanning mitt as well because you really get it in there. Spray it right onto the skin. Just going to start buffing it in with that brush. Spray it on my face as well. This is also really soft, this brush, so it doesn't feel harsh on my skin. You can spray it onto the brush as well for more precision. So I'm going to put it on the ears as well. I actually can't get over how beautiful that smells. Every time I spray it, I'm like, oh, I remember how beautiful it smells. I wish everything smelled like this. It's just amazing. I love it. So I'm going to leave this to develop for 4 to 8 hours just so you can see the full result. So it's been on for over 4 hours. It's almost fully developed. It is more of a natural tone, this one that I've put on, the Original. You can see I am more tanned, but it does still look really natural, especially in my face. You can see a massive difference in my tan. I don't know if it's showing up on camera as much as it is in person. I'm loving the results, so I use the Original. So if you want to go deeper, you can go for the Glow colour, which is the darker one. And it doesn't irritate my skin on my face. I've not really got any itchiness from this either, and I've got really sensitive skin. Now I've finished my makeup, I'm feeling very summer ready, very bronzy, glowy vibes. Must-haves for the summer. I just look so radiant and so glowy in the best way. Iconic London really know how to do the glow products. They really do. Hope you've enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about those 2 best-selling products that are absolute must-haves for me and for you. If you want to be glowy like me, these are the products. I'm telling you, these are the products. And as always, if you've liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions, the comments below is where to pop them, and you'll find all the products linked in the description. And that is it from me. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Bye, babes.